You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase that is a bit of a slang expression used by Spanish speakers, Mexican in particular. Hispanic slang, let's call it. It's short for ¿Qué hubo?, meaning what happened. It essentially means what's up or what up. So it's a bit of a contraction of ¿Qué hubo?, and you just say it as Quiubo. ¿Qué hubo? Quiubo. Quiubo. Quiubo, meaning what's up. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.